For those of you who don't know, Time Out is a worldwide magazine that's dedicated to telling you about the best entertainment, restaurants, and activities in major cities such as New York, London, and Lisbon. They've expanded their magazine into full halls across the world. And in this video, we're going to compare and contrast Time Out Lisbon with Time Out Porto. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul, and at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. Both of Portugal's major cities, Lisbon and Porto, have a Time Out market, with Lisbon's market being the older and the more established of the two. Both are in the vicinity of a major train station. With Lisbon, it's across the street from Caes do Sodré station, which, by the way, is where you can catch the train to Cascais and have a fun day at the beach. And in Porto, the market is actually connected to the São Bento railway station, which is famous for its beautiful tiles and is a UNESCO World Heritage railway station. Because Lisbon's Time Out market is older, it has a larger variety of eateries, which is great, but the downside is that there's always a huge crowd and it's hard to find somewhere to sit. You have to get there first thing in the morning or right before closing to make it easier. But there are so many choices, from donuts to seafood and everything in between. Everything is laid out on one level, so all the restaurants are easy to access. Check out this video of the Lisbon market. Now, Time Out Porto is still a work in progress. It's on 2 levels, so be prepared to go up some stairs. It has less than half of the eateries that Lisbon has, but to me, it was an easier experience. Less choices, so less overwhelmed when trying to figure out what to eat, and it's way easier to find some place to eat. The Porto market also has options for outdoor dining, which Lisbon doesn't. Porto had the usual suspects, such as pizza, bifana sandwiches, and everything else in between. Here's a quick video of the Porto Time Out market. All in all, I have to say, despite Lisbon's Time Out market being more exciting and having more energy, I actually enjoyed Time Out Porto so much more. It seemed to fit better with the Passport and Soul mode of travel, a relaxed, easy pace where you get to slow down and really enjoy your meal. So of course, I'm curious, if you've been to Time Out Lisbon and Time Out Porto, which one did you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments section. So that's it. The Battle of the Time Out Markets, Portugal edition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and forward on the video to someone else. Until next time.